Oh, screwed that up. All clear on the western front. Oh, excuse you.
Oh, good morning. You guys are still here. I hear all the birdies and the woodpeckers and stuff. Okay. It's about time to get out of bed and make some coffee. Right now is the perfect time to start smelling coffee around the campsite. I don't know where Wally is. He's on patrol. Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. How you sleep, dude? You do biggie too. You're a good boy. You protected us? Do you see anything interesting out there? Alright. Alright, well, hey. You know, the only times I'm ever really halfway up early anymore is when I go camping, and it's kind of nice. Get up early sometimes. Anyway, let's get that coffee going, right? This kind of coffee I really like. It's a Kauai medium roast. Good stuff. Aloha, brother. Get that jet engine like thing going on. A little bummed out. My old percolator, the old like dollar store percolator, it started to like delaminate, or I don't know what happened. Actually, I screwed up and put it in the dishwasher thinking I could clean it, and it got all messed up. So I had to upgrade to my big dog here. This one will take a little bit longer, but it'll be worth it. So good boy. Fuego! All right.
How's everything going, Wally? All clear on the western front? Listen to this thing go. I'm definitely feeling breakfast. I'm feeling a little bit of breakfast, so. Right, coffee's brewing. Look at that. Okay, what's for breakfast? I got some sausage and some pancakes. I was thinking do like the old school pigs in a blanket since I'm playing with the old school stoves. I don't know if you guys can hear me over that thing, but whoo. About another minute or two and we'll be able to hit that. All right. Oh, I got cantaloupe, yeah. Ah, this is a two-hand job. There we go. Got some freshy fresh sausage. I should just leave it as a big old brick of sausage. That don't sound bad. We'll get these browned up all nice. All right, coffee's about done. Oh, that looks good. The little filter in there does the trick. See how clear the coffee is? Oh. Oh, it smells good. Oh, right here. Yes. Mountains. All right. Can you smell that? Oh, it smells good. Oh, excuse you. All right, let's get some pancakes going. What? It's almost ready. Ah. Right here. He's like, hurry up, want some sausage. I know, I'm working on it. Chop. Did you guys, when you were younger or even now as grown-up children, do you guys ever order pigs in a blanket at a restaurant? I haven't done it forever. I usually get omelets and stuff. Ooh, omelets. Should do that next time. Ready? See how we do. This might be, oh yeah, way too much oil. Okay. That's gonna go quick. Once all the bubbles start bubbling, then we flip her. Oh. Oh, screwed that up. Perfect. First pancake, let's see, let's try this. I want a little thinner. Oh. Okay, here we go. Might be too thin. Almost like a crepe. Ready? Let's just do it. Let's just go. Let's all in. We're all in. We are all in. This is the Jacques Papin way. Oh, I should have used more butter. Ah. Okay. All right. We're doing over. Okay, for the piggies in the blinky. Let's do one big one. See if that works. That oil in those edges, nice and crispy. Nice, how'd you guys sleep? I usually use butter, but I forgot the butter, so we're going with the oil today. My grandmother used to use everything in oil. It's gonna be one big pancake. Oh, don't stick. Oh, do or die. Piggies in a blinky. Ugh. Hey. Hey! Oh, hey, not too bad. Close enough. Good enough for me. Okay, this one got a little worm on me. Let's put some syrup on there. Log cabin. And this is like the top shelf log cabin. Did you know? Top shelf, right? Good stuff. Okay. Pigs in space. Let's do 2 for each. We got plenty for my buddy Wally. Again, how am I gonna eat all this? Well, oh yes. There you go. Look at that. Oh, that smells good. I wish you guys could smell that at home. Okay, look, a couple pieces of fresh cantaloupe. Look at that view. I don't think you can see the moon, but the moon's out. Yeah, probably not. Meanwhile, how you doing over there, buddy? Buddy? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. All right, well, I get the leftover sausages with kibble. Come here, buddy. See what we got. Pigs in a blanket. Yep. Oh, can you guys taste that? Dude, oh, dude. I'm gonna have to go run a mile after this. Oh, man. You want more already? Anybody plant a garden yet? I got watermelons and cantaloupe going in my backyard. They're sprouted about that much. Okay. You can't have any of this. All right, my friends. We're gonna get everything all cleaned up, and I hope you guys had a great night with me. I had a lot of fun hanging out here. What a beautiful evening. What a wonderful way to wake up. Boy, this is good. I'm gonna hang out, do what I do, clean up my mess, drink some coffee, hang out with my dog, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully by next week we can come back out and we'll come down a little bit farther, maybe find some water to camp next to, and then within the end of the month we'll be able to be camping in our usual spots. So I don't know, this spot's pretty good to me, but anyway. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Thank you. Drive through. There you go. Yeah, buddy. He's like, give me a sausage. All right. He just had like 4 of them. Well, I saw a pile of, the last time I was here a couple weeks ago, I saw like somebody dumped looked like a beat up old tent and some garbage. And I'm gonna pack up my truck to try to make room, because I'm gonna haul that crap out of here, because it sucks when people leave crap like that, and it's up to you and me and him to pick that crap up if you can. So we're gonna make our best shot. So that's what I was gonna do. But since I don't really bring a ground sheet, so what I do is I flip my tent over while I'm finishing hanging out, drinking coffee, and just let the sun cook it. And then I can fold it up. I mean, if I'm gonna go like on a 2-day camping trip, then I'll like fold it up real good. But since I'm just going home and I usually unpack everything and repack it up anyway, I don't have to do that good of a job. Ha! See, shortcuts, that's the way to go. Oh, we got all sorts of cool birds flying around all over the place. It's a sparrow, I think. Huh. Oh, geez, and remember, boys and girls, it is drown, stir, and feel. But we're not messing around when it comes to this stuff, huh, Wally? Come back to that. All right, my friends. Our campfire is dead out. Dead on arrival. I dumped plenty of water on it, stirred it, felt it, it's done. That's the way to do it. So we're about to leave our camp, and hey, thanks for coming along. It was a lot of fun. We ate a lot of good food. There's nothing better than spending the night out in the mountains, at least I don't think so. All right, Wally, let's go get in the truck. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, there's a little runoff stream over here, down in there. We crawled down in there yesterday. Beautiful side of the mountain, and look, Somebody left a bunch. It looks like somebody. Those are Timberlands, man, little kids. So we're gonna do our best to try to pick this up and take it with us. What can you do? These are good boots too. Some little shit. I mean, excuse me. Some little kid could have used those. Anyway, it's like drywall. Crappy vodka. Okay, that's that part of it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this other thing. Hope there's no bugs in here, dead bodies. How am I gonna do this? I'm getting this out. One piece of garbage at a time, right? What are the chances I get all that in there? Good, bad? What do you think? Ugly? If any of you guys at home watching this, and you appreciate this kind of stuff, somebody wants to get together and start cleaning this crap up, we could use the help. Or just give me a thumbs up or a like or something. Maybe even a subscribe, that'd be cool. And I'll keep doing this and we'll keep our forest clean. And public service announcements and yada yada yada. And I'd rather not be doing this stuff, but whatever. Alright, man. Makes you feel good to do stuff like that. Too bad we have to. Check it out. Where there was garbage, there's no longer garbage. Alright. Cool. Like I said, that's why I like those big heavy duty garbage bags. They're extra money, but they're worth it. That way none of anybody else's other, I don't mind my crap getting in my truck and oozing out. Other people's crap? No, thank you. Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next video. No, I'll say that. I don't know what to do with my hands. All right. Hey, I want to give a big shout out to my friends at the Amador Ranger Station in the El Dorado National Forest for letting me use their dumpster. I just went and picked up my fuel wood permit for this year, and they said you could use it, so let's handle it.